What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your battery in your 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and flip the key open, and what we're going to do is we're going to pry open this back cover, and you're going to need a little flathead screwdriver, and just stick it in the corner you have right here, and just go ahead and pry it up a little bit. Okay, and then you'll see that the cover will come off. All right. Now you'll see that the battery size is a CR2032. I'll leave a link down in the description box if you want to pick up some batteries. If you don't have any batteries, just get your flathead screwdriver and just pry this battery right out of here. Okay, and just note that the front of the battery is going to have this plus on it, and this is facing up. Okay, when you get your new one to stick it in here, just go like this, push it in there, and then replace the cover. Snap it on there, and you're all good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and it was. Do me a favor and hit the like button, and please subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.